Hi there, I'm Melissa Galbraith, the fiber artist behind MCreativeJ. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Peking knot, or maybe the Peking knot. I'm probably not pronouncing this very correctly. Sometimes also known as the Chinese knot, which is this looped knot stitch here. I think it's super fun. So we start by coming up right at the base of our loop here. And then I find it's helpful to lay your hoop flat on the table because we're going to work with two hands. So we then cross the thread over itself so the working thread goes over and then behind our thread. Now we want to get our loop a little smaller, so I kind of hold the crossed part down by the fabric and then just gently tug so my loop gets to the size that I want. Then I hold it in place and we want to do a short little stitch that goes over the crossed part of this loop without going in the same spot we're coming up. So slightly over that and then tug that down. And there's our loop. So let's do that again. We start by coming up at the base of our knot, lay our hoop flat on the table, then we cross our thread over itself so the working thread is now behind our loop, and then we want to make our loop a little smaller, so just kind of hold it in place and tug it down to the size you want. Then I like to just use my thumb to hold that loop in place, and we do a short little stitch right around the crossed part of our loop to hold our Peking knot in place. And there we go.